Hello, guys. I'm Pete, and this is Training Kitchen. Welcome to this new video. And today I want to focus on NASDAQ. We're talking about technological companies, digital companies, as you already know. So we know that we are on a bullish overview, and if we begin our multi-frame analysis on a weekly time frame, this is pretty much confirmed. We have a trend line here, but as you can see, price is above the 50 MA, that is above the 200 EMAs. The momentum is very, very strong. As you can see, there is no space here, okay, to consider, to not to consider, to be honest, short, okay. There is no doubt, I think, about it. On a week time frame, as on a daily or the day time frame as well, there is no any kind of signal of weaknesses. Okay, what we can see on a daily time frame as well. Oh, sorry, on a weekly, this candle, okay, which is an engulfing of the two previous weekly candles. So what does it mean? It means that when price will broke and close weekly, above the candles, we could be, we will be pretty much sure the price will go up, will keep going bullish. Okay. This is a typical candlestick pattern. Okay, the price action pattern that is not so useful, not so powerful in the 50 minutes in the lower time frames. Okay, but here we are on a weekly, so here is this signal is very, very strong. Okay, let's move down. Let me remove the drawings and move on a daily time frame in which, as you can see, things don't change. Okay, same old stories. We are long. Okay, no doubt about it. There is some other things that we can underline. No, here we have probably a good level in which price will react in the future. Okay, maybe in this week, maybe the next week. We don't know about anyway. 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, for the first time after long days, we can see the first signal of weaknesses. We are a 4-hour time frame, so we are on a middle term. Okay, not long term, middle term. Okay, but if you are an intraday trader, if you are a scalp trader, on my personal opinion, it is a good time frame to consider. Okay, just to know the power, the momentum. Okay, who are winning, sellers or buyers? Probably in this case, even if in the 4-hour time frame as well, we keep on being bullish. Okay, but as you can see, this is a lower low. Okay, this is a lower low. What does it mean? It means that we have a consolidation, or probably price is beginning to change. Okay, is beginning to change. then price get a new high here, okay, a retracement to delete, okay, to remove any kind of short ideas. Price must be here, okay, so I have to create a new high. But as you can see, this level, remove this level, price was refused on this level, okay, and now price will probably create a new minimum, okay, a lower low. What does it mean? It means that we are in a not in a bullish environment, in a bearish environment, but we are in a consolidation, okay, we're in a consolidation which we could see price doing this kind of thing, okay. On my personal view, okay, I am an intraday trader, so I do consider only a daily perspective. I'm short, okay, I'm short, but only in this zone, which is the premium one, the premium zone, okay. When price is here, or in this case right by now here, okay, so if price will go back here, okay, I will consider a short, okay. I'm waiting a new minimum, okay, and a lower low, okay, but I won't go short here just because we are on a discount zone, okay, which is discount, where what is discount zone is below the 0.5, okay. To get more possibilities, okay, to get statistics by our side to go short, we can go short only on a premium zone, okay, which is this one. So about 15-minute time frame, which is the time frame I use to find the right place to enter the market. What we can see that here, this was previous buyer dominance, okay, just because in this impulse was created from this candle, and as you can see, this is not so clear, but price made a new high here, okay, that has been refused, okay. So this is another, you see, all these wicks, there is no closing above this maximum, okay, this resistance. So what does it mean? This is another signal of weakness. So I suppose that price will retrace, okay, the zone to go short here, or if you want to be more conservative, you can wait this, okay, you can wait this this zone to go short, okay. What about stop loss? So here the stop loss will be here. Okay, be careful that we do have here 3 maximum. Okay, lot of time price get here the liquidity, so 3 maximum means that here we have a lot of liquidity. Okay, so to be honest, to consider a short, I will split my entry in 2 parts. Okay, the first one is here, and the second one will be here. Okay, with the stop loss just a few pips, a few points in this case above this zone. Let me see if we have another points to consider on the left, but no. Okay, so yeah, the first entry will be here, the second one will be here, but let me move on the 15, which is this one will be a very good point of entry, just because we have here another candlestick, a doji, so it means that there are orders that needs to filled up. Okay, so not perfect, and stop loss always few points below the zone. What about TP? As you can see, as I told you before, the TP will be at least first one, this one, and the second one here. Okay, which is the first one is almost risk to reward 2, and this is 1.7 more or less. Okay, so it is a very nice target. Okay, guys, now you see the price perfectly reacted here. Okay, so for today, I suppose the price will reach first the zone to react, then here, and then here. Okay, maybe not today all this movement, but we are on a bullish overview for just this morning until the New York opening. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about. Use the comment section below to tell me what you want to see more. Okay, thank you. Bye.